Kailangan may pag-ganon. Araneta! Kaya pala kayo sumisigaw. I'd like to introduce to you my family. My baby sister forever, of course, Lynette. My mommy, Mel. And of course, my daddy, Lyndon. Maraming salamat sa pagsurpresa sa akin. Kitang-kita niyo naman po, hindi ko in-expect. Pero, thank you so much for everything that you have done for me. I love you guys so much. And, yeah. Wala na. I don't know what to say anymore. Thank you.
Kuya? Wait, makeup! Oh my god, I don't wanna cry. This took a long time to do, guys. Anyways, Kuya, I'm so proud of you. I hope this is waterproof. When I was sitting here and I was watching you perform your first few songs, like your prod, I remember I almost cried. That's why, if anyone saw me, I was like, I was just looking up. I was trying not to cry. Because it's crazy seeing how 10 years ago...
It's crazy!
It's crazy! No, it's crazy seeing how 10 years ago, you probably would have never thought you'd be performing, having a sold-out concert, doing all of this. You would have never thought that, wow, I can do that. But now, here you are. And I'm so proud to call you my brother. I'm so proud that you made it and that you got your dream.
Thank you.
And I just want you to know that, no, it's not easy being your sister, but I love you so much. And I will always love you, no matter what. Because you were my biggest inspiration, and you're my everything. You're the reason why I'm here today. And yeah, I love you so much.
I love you. Thank you, Lynette. Batiin mo yung mga kaklase mong pinanood mo. Parang buong school yung dinalaman.
Di mo siya.
Ayun sila. Hi ka.
Hi guys! So, to all my friends who got to make it out here,
Thank you for watching.
yes, thank you so much. To Ezra and to Ralph. To my teacher, Miss Chanko, who got to be here. Thank you so much for coming po. For Ezra, who got the tickets and everything.
Thank you guys.
May,
Yeah, thank you Mom and Dad. Maraming salamat po. And yeah, thank you so much for doing that with me. Again, ladies and gentlemen, my family, thank you.